my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over.